I'm Tammy Thompson. The name of our farm is Lazy O Farm. We've been here since 1850 and we plan on staying here a lot longer. It's been a traditional farm through all those years. We've had the row crops, sweet potatoes, cucumber market was here for 15 years for our county. Tobacco has been here since day one. My dad passed away 13 years ago. The year before he died, he was looking for something that was a little less stressful, that would still bring in income and provide enough money for me to come back home. Agritourism is a diversification that's actually keeping small farmers on that farm. Our children are the sixth generation, and we hope that there are 6 more generations to come after us. Farming is very difficult and it is very expensive. You can make a decent living with the traditional farming, but having the children on here, not only does it bring in a little extra income, but it just makes your day. Agritourism for us is a huge asset because it does allow us to have that additional income so that we can continue doing what we do here. It allows us to keep this family farm in our family. We know that everything that we do affects us, it affects the people that are around us, and it affects this earth. We try really hard to make sure that we're going to stay in business. God put us on this earth to take care of, number one, each other, the animals that we come in contact with, and this earth, and that's what farmers do.